Rasulullah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Arika Amr, and this is my brother,
Aliyan.
Today we're going to tell you about Shahada. So could you please tell us about Shahada, Aliyan?
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah Aliyun waliyullah Wasiyya Rasulullah wa khalifatahu bila fasil.
That was so wonderful, Aliyan. Thank you for reciting. Now, we're going to tell you the meaning of Shahada. La ilaha illallah means
there is no God except Allah.
Muhammad Rasulullah means
Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah.
Aliyun waliyullah means
Imam Ali is the one who is close to Allah.
Wasiyya Rasulullah means
Imam Ali is the leader of the Prophet Muhammad.
wa khalifatahu bila fasl means
Imam Ali is the true Khalifa.
Now, we're going to tell you about Usuluddin. So, Aliyan, could you tell us about Usuluddin?
Number 1, Tawheed. Number 2, Adala. Number 3, Nabuwa. Number 4, Imama. Number 5, Qiyamah.
Thank you for telling us about this. Now, I'm going to tell the meaning of Usuluddin. Tawheed, there is no God except Allah. Adala, Allah is just. Nabuwa, Allah sent 124,000 prophets to guide us. Imama, Allah sent 12 imams to guide us. Qiyamah, there will be a day of judgment. This is it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.